Hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a monthly reading for the month of October 2025 for your health, career, and finances. I'm not a medical practitioner, I'm not a career counselor, I'm not a financial advisor. Just giving you energy check in. It is not prediction. Tarot is not prediction, it's just energy check in of what's going on right now and what you can do, the guidance part. Take it how it resonates with you, otherwise you can leave it if it is not resonating. Okay, so want to be a reader like me, you can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, you can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Let's see Aquarius for your health thing. The devil, addictions and addictions and addictions. Okay, so you are super addicted to something, and no matter how hard you are trying to let go of this addiction of yours, you're not able to do that. Now the addiction can simply means that you are in your comfort zone and you are liking whatever you are having, even if you know it's not good for you to stay like this forever. You are like, I'm in my comfort zone and I'm liking it. I don't want to go out of my comfort zone. It can be simply this. It can be addiction of alcohol. It can be addiction of smoking. It can be sweets. It can be food addiction, eating disorders. It can be anything. But there is certain kind of addiction, codependency on something that you know is not good for you, but you are trapped in that, and you know it's not good for you, right? The problem here is that you know it. Let me see the guidance for you guys for this health thing of yours, Aquarius. Ace of Wands, you have to meditate. You have to sit with yourself. You have to figure out what you are doing and why you are doing it. You have to figure out the why of whatever you are doing with your health. Once you are going to figure out the why, you will be able to find the solution as well. You have to be physically active at any cost, Aquarius. Okay, being physically active is going to help you to have a clean diet also, clean mindset also. And if you feel like taking help from a professional to get out of these addictions, please do that, even if it means that you have to go for rehab or something like that. It's not a bad thing, it's actually a good thing. It's a first step towards your self love. And forget about other people, what they are going to say and how they are going to take me and they are going to judge me. People are there to do shitty things only. Even if you are God, even if you are going to be a saint, people are always going to judge you and they're always going to make you feel smaller. So don't worry about it. Okay, let's see what we have for those who are working for others or doing job. We have the Hierophant. So your job thing is going to make you feel like you are on your spiritually aligned path. You are moving forward step by step and you are going to feel quite good about your job thing. It could be very much possible you are going to connect with a mentor or a guide or your superior, your bosses or your superior people who whatever is there applicable in your case are going to recognize your talent, recognize your hard work, and they are going to help you to move forward step by step. So you're feeling that you are having growth and expansion in your career area. Even if it is slow, it is aligned with your path and it's happening step by step the way it should. For some of you, you are going to intuitively feel like connecting with a mentor, connecting with a senior, connecting with somebody who is in the same field. They can help you in moving forward. Do that. That's going to be actually a very good thing for you. You don't have to follow anybody blindly, but when we talk about when we talk to someone about the same kind of things that we want to do in our life, we get some insights and they're very powerful. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys here, Aquarius. Six of Swords. You have to learn from your past mistakes. You are still carrying the past baggages with you when it comes to your career area. Maybe you made some kind of wrong choices. Maybe you did some kind of mistakes that you should not have done. And you are still carrying them with you. You are like, oh my God, I'm not going to do that again. I should not have done that. I should not have made that wrong choice at that time. Now I'm suffering. Now things are not happening the way they should. Let me tell you one thing, Aquarius. You are exactly where you are supposed to be. You are doing exactly what you are supposed to be doing. You know, learn from your past mistakes. Don't let your past mistake haunt you and ruin your present moment. There is no term such as future. Future never, never, never comes. Tomorrow never comes. It's always today. So whatever happened in the past remains in the past until, as long as you got the lessons, you know what to do and what not to do, you are good to go. Okay. So don't mix your past and your present, and keep going towards your peaceful energies, calmer water. Let's see, for those of you who are self-employed or having their own business thing, how it is going to be for you guys, Aquarius. देखो. Nine of Cups. You guys are going to be extremely happy. You guys are going to get more client base, more collaborations, partnerships, more money, more sales, and it's going to be like a wish fulfillment. So whatever target you are having regarding your business thing, you will be able to achieve that, and you are going to be freaking happy about it. Extremely good card, extremely good energy, and you are going to feel a sudden boom in your business thing. Wow, awesome. Awesome. It's a very positive card for your career thing, job thing also, and business thing also. The guidance for your business thing. Let's see what we have. धीमे धीमे आग से एक शोला भड़काया है. Strength card. Don't take unnecessary risks. Okay. Whenever you get this impulse to do things that you should not be doing, or do things in a certain way that the way is not good, refrain from doing that. Take a step back, understand each and everything about that thing, all the pros and cons, and all the positives and negatives, and then move forward. Okay. So refrain from doing anything that you should not be doing. Think about it. Think about the consequences, especially if it is related to legality or documentation or something like that. Don't do anything stupid. Be as in balanced kind of energies and in justice kind of energy as you can. Okay. No stupidity allowed. Let's see, for job seekers or for business starters, let's see how it is going to be, whether you are fresher or somebody experienced looking for another opportunity, or starting or restarting your job or business thing. Let's see what we have for you guys, Aquarius. King of Pentacles. This is an extremely auspicious month for you guys for your career thing. Make good use of this month as much as you can from your side, Aquarius. It's extremely important for you guys to make good use of these available energies. So you are going to get a very stable opportunity, very stable offer. Maybe an elder person is going to help you to grab this opportunity, or you are going to collaborate with an elder person to start or restart your business thing. You are going to get finances, you are going to get opportunities, you are going to get collaboration, partnerships, opportunities to give proper interview, and there are very high chances you are going to pass it with flying colors, and good vibes, good energies, good opportunities are on the way for you guys. Make good use of these things, these available energies. Fantastically beautiful and aligned month for your career. Awesome. Let's see the guidance for you guys here. Judgment card. It's like something that was dead and buried. It's time for you to bring it back to life. Some kind of opportunity that you felt is never going to work out in your favor, or something that used to work out in the past and then it failed. It's time for you that you can either start it again or learn from it properly. And also you have to forgive yourself for whatever mistakes and whatever stupid things you did in the past. Make sure you are not going to repeat them again ever, but there is something that you are still carrying within yourself. There is some kind of regret or guilt or some kind of issues that are still they are inside of you that you're not able to completely let go of. For that you have to like free yourself and free your soul completely out of that guilt and or regret, and learn from your past mistake instead, or instead of making them like they're a punishment for you for the rest of your life. It's not like that. Nothing is a punishment. Everything is a lesson or a blessing. This is how we take it. Okay. Also, something that was not working out in the past, maybe it will start working out now. You can think about that also. A failed business, maybe a job that you were not able to take, especially the missed opportunities that you missed in the past. They might come back again for you guys. Then you guys can think about it seriously this time. Not mandatory, but energies are available. It's up to you now. Okay, let's see about your finances. What we have for Aquarius for this month. Six of Cups. So your past investments or your past savings are going to give you very good returns this month. Very good energies, very good vibes. Something that used to work out for you in the past, that idea is going to come back to you in your awareness. Now maybe that when I'm talking to you, so you are going to be like, okay, something I used to invest in these things or long term things or that thing, and it used to work out fine for me. It was stable, it was good. So maybe you are going to go back to a past plan or past strategy, and it's going to make you feel very good, and you're going to feel instantly like, okay, this is something that we can work on or I can rely on. For most of you, it's like past investments or past savings giving you very good results, and you're feeling content about it, happy about it. For others of you, it is something that you used to do in the past. It's going to come back to your awareness, and you will start doing that again, and you are going to be feeling good about it, like, okay, let's start from the start. Okay, let's start from the basics. Let's see the guidance for you guys, Aquarius. We have the Knight of Pentacles. Slow and steady is going to win the race. Any kind of quick money making schemes or any kind of lottery thing or stock market without knowing, without having the proper knowledge, is actually going to be against you. It's not going to give you instant money. So any kind of instant money making scheme or idea is not going to give you anything in return. Let it be slow and steady, at least for the time being. Let them grow slowly but surely. Okay, long term investments, long term plans, and stable energies and stable kind of deals are going to give you more happiness and more returns and more peaceful energies, rather than wasting your time, efforts, and money into some kind of instant gratification of thing and then regretting it. You have that kind of similar experiences in the past also, so don't repeat them again. You got the lessons already, so don't repeat them. Hmm? So no quick money making schemes or no ponzi schemes or no doubling your money in one day kind of schemes. Don't waste your efforts, energy, and money. Okay, cool. Slow and steady is the best way to grow, to let your money grow organically and naturally, the way it should. Hmm. So this is what I have for you guys. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.